Yo, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. In today's episode, I'm not sure if this will be the last sneaker unboxing of the year. Kasi I still have my eyes set on a pair or two. But this is definitely the last Air Force One that I'm buying for the year. This is a sneaker that I bought over at Soul Republic at their pop-up store in Unbox Green Hills. So we'll unbox it, put it on feet. Sinuot to ni Lebron eh. So this is one of the spares that Lebron himself, the king himself, popularized. So let's put it on feet and check it out. Let's go. If you guys don't want to get hit by Saitama over here, labo, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and check out my two other channels. We have a dedicated channel for NBA cards. So I have a couple of really nice NBA cards over here. And you can also check out our watch channel, wristwatch check of the day. I am rocking this smart G-Shock, smartwatch G-Shock. So links to both channels can be found down below. But if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe na. Random poll of the day. Kung maglalaban si Saitama, tsaka to, si Broly, who do you guys think will win? Comment down below. Broly versus Saitama. Comment below. Okay, ang gulo na dito sa bahay namin. O kung ano-ano yung laman. Hi, Dusty! Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog, Dusty. Okay. So ito na yung sapatos that I've been talking about. This is the Air Force One that we got from Soul Republic. Laki nung Funko Pop na Pikachu. Para lang makita niyo yung size. Yan, no? Grabe. Mas malaki pen sa sapatos. Buksan natin yan in another episode. Okay, so let's get to it. So as you guys can see, Dunk versus AF1. Apparently, ang tawag dito is 5 on it. Something like that. Air Force One 5 on it. Again, shout out to Soul Republic. Maraming salamat, Lerwin, and to the Soul Republic gang. Especially the staff over at the pop-up shop at Unbox Green Hills. So buksan natin to. Woohoo! Ganda! Grabe! This pair, when I saw it in the shop, I just knew I needed it. It's been a while since I last bought an Air Force One. I've been buying mostly House of White sneakers. I think you guys have seen the recent videos on that. So, nakakatuwa na I was able to see, or I was able to find an Air Force One that I really wanted. Now, tawag dito 5 on it yata kasi there are like 5 strikes / 5 materials. 5, of course, is the number that you would see on the logo of Undefeated. You know, Undefeated logo over there. Ano yung 5 materials na yun? Of course, you have the suede material. That's the gray. You have this leather here at the toe box. Some sort of canvas dito sa mid panel. You have snakeskin, which you can find on the blue swoosh, as well as here on the red swoosh at the back of the sneaker. And then, ano pa ba yung material dito? I guess the Air Force One Dubre counts as metal, ganun ba yun? Or this nubuckish material pala that you see at the back. And again, you see the 5 strikes logo of Undefeated. And sobrang nakakatuwa din yung color scheme niya because this is white. But then, if you take a look at the outsole, it becomes some sort of like a creamy off-white color. And then you have different laces to pick from. You can go with white or you can go with the blue. So yun, yan ang aking sneaker cup to end the year. I'm not sure if I'll buy another sneaker. Mahirap magsalita ng the post. But yeah, this is the shoe. So what I'll do now is I'll put it on feet so you guys can get a feel for what it looks like and how it feels. So in terms of on feet, well, it feels like pretty much your general Air Force One. I mean, it's a Air Force One. It's comfy, it's a bit chunky, it's a bit heavy. Yun naman talaga yung complaints when it comes to the AF1. But style-wise and look-wise, for me, it's just really an awesome shoe. I love the accent of the blue on the faded colors of white and gray. Makes it stand out, gives it that extra oomph. And the Undefeated logo pop of orange at the tongue tab and the red snakeskin at the heel just makes it look even so much more fire. So yeah, yun ang on-feet natin when it comes to this sneaker. What do you guys think of the sneaker? Let me know in the comment section down below. Ako, for me, if I were to give it like 10, a rating out of 10, I'd probably give it, but again, this is my personal preference. Obviously, iba yung sa inyo. But ako, I'd probably give it a strong 8.5 out of 10. So, that for me is a win already. Nga pala guys, a lot of people have been asking me or some have been commenting what my thoughts are about the Jollibee Chickenwich because I posted about it on IG. Some people were commenting review daw. So at this point in the vlog, I actually shot a clip of the first time I was able to taste it. So pakita ko lang sa inyo para may idea kayo kung ano take ko sa Jollibee Chickenwich. So today I'm super excited. We get to review the Chickenwich ng Jollibee. O, di ba? Hindi po to sponsored. So, binili namin to. So, super excited ako kasi I'm a huge fan of chicken sandwiches. And it's exciting to see kung ano yung take ni Jollibee. Kasi syempre, alam naman natin na sobrang juicy, sobrang panalo, langhap, sarap yung Chicken Joy eh. So, ang iniisip ko, nung pin-announce nila to, Chicken Joy Sandwich. So, tingnan natin. So, buksan natin. Yan yung itsura nung kanyang parang packaging. Nakalagay yung crunchy, juicy, flavorful. Chickenwich yung nakalagay sa taas. Tapos, pagbuksan natin, bam! Yung ano pa lang yung bun pa lang, panalo na eh. Kitang-kita nyo na yung difference. Because if you take a look at it, I think this is called a brioche bun. So it's softer, it's a little bit moister. And if you take a look at the chicken, talagang explosion of chicken inside. Diba? Talaga sumasabog siya. As in talagang the bun is not enough to keep the juicy-licious chicken joy. Tapos of course, pagbuksan mo, meron siyang, ano ba tawag mo sa sauce na yan? Parang yellow mustard na matamis. Plus we also have some pickles here at the bottom. So, yan, tikman na natin. Excited na ako matikman tong Chickenwich na to. Pero kitang-kita nyo naman talaga na they really made an effort to upgrade it. So, Jollibee Philippines, 2 thumbs up. Diba? 2 thumbs up na labo. So, tikman natin ha. Excited na ako. Panalo! Grabe! Parang Chicken Joy nga. Di ako makasalita Pero different talaga siya from other chicken sandwiches. Kasi, one, flavor. You know it's Jollibee. Yung lasa is Jollibee. Two, it's not dry. Which is my number one complaint about a lot of chicken sandwiches. They're dry. Three, ang dami. Kasi if you take a look at the chicken sandwiches of other companies, sobrang kapiranggot na lang, na parang mini chicken sandwich na siya. Parang yun nga, every year dumadaan, palit ng palit yung mga sandwich. Ito, sobrang panalo. So when it comes to innovation, when it comes to the overall taste and value, ako, 2 thumbs up ako dito, winner to. So yun, if you guys wanna order Chickenwich, well, you can order from Jollibee via the app, or you can check out their website, or you can go to your favorite branch. Order na lang kayo. Masarap naman siya. Sobrang panalo. In my experience and in my opinion. And with that said, that actually wraps up our vlog for today. I wish all of you a very Merry Christmas. I hope na you spend it well, meaningful, and talagang mag-enjoy ka, makapagpahinga kayong lahat, and that you discover something deeper about you, your family, and your loved ones in this very meaningful season. As usual, this is Carlos signing out. Merry Christmas to all of you. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.